Hi friends, good morning. Myself Mr. V.R. Sanap, lecturer in Mechanical Department of KK Wagh Polytechnic Nasik. Friends, today we are going to discuss about gear finishing methods. So in gear finishing methods, the surface of gear teeth produced through gear generating processes is not very accurate and properly finished. Such surface results in a lot of noise, excessive wear, play or backlash while meshing teeth, or sometimes may cause ultimate failure. That's why there is a need of gear finishing methods or processes. So we will see one by one. In next slide, there are different types of gear finishing methods: gear shaving, gear grinding, gear burnishing, gear lapping, and last gear honing. So we will see one by one. So the first, that is the gear shaving. So in gear shaving process, very thin chips are removed from the gear tooth surface by cutting edge of gear shaving cutter. Gear shaving is used to remove the material on the teeth in the form of very fine chips of a size 0.005 mm to 0.1 mm from the gear tooth. The cutter has narrow grooves on the tooth flanks. These teeth form the cutting edges of the shaving cutter. It is a process of finishing a gear teeth by running the gear at a high speed in mesh with the gear shaving tool, which is in the form of rack or pinion. The teeth of shaving tool are hardened, accurately ground, and their faces are provided with serrations. These serrations form the cutting edges which actually provide a scraping operation on the mating faces of gear teeth to be finished. The gear is pressed in contact with a rotating shaving tool so that the gear rotates in mesh with shaving tool and is also reciprocates simultaneously. This prevents jamming of two and relative motion between shaving tool and gear results in a high surface finish on gear. So in this diagram, a typical gear shaving tool is shown. So the main disadvantage of gear shaving is its initial cost is more, then skilled operator is required since the process is complicated and cannot be used for very high rate of production. Then next method, or we can say process, that is the gear grinding. So in case of gear grinding, so gear operating at high speed and high loads are always hardened and there is a distortion in gear flank. In order to remove this distortion and to have accurate profile on gear teeth for smooth running, gear grinding is done. Grinding is a very accurate method and though relatively expensive, more widely used for finishing teeth of different type and size of gears of hard material or hardened surfaces. The properly formed and dressed wheel finishes the gear teeth flanks by fine machining or abrading action of the fine abrasive. The grinding tool is formed by truing the grinding wheel to the shape and size of gear tooth to be finished. The gear is mounted on an index head and grinding wheel is fit to required depth. The gear is then withdrawn and indexed for the next teeth. Then next, that is gear burnishing. So gear burnishing is the cold finishing process of gear teeth and used for gears after cutting but before hardening to improve the surface finish and uniformity. The gear is mounted on a vertical reciprocating shaft, is meshed with three hardened and ground burnishing gears. These gears are power driven and are fed into the cut gear and rotated through a few turns in both directions. This makes the gear surface smooth and also imparts little hardness on it. The load is provided by means of pneumatic, hydraulic or electric means. Then next, that is the gear lapping. The gears which are finished machine or shave and then heat treated and finally lap to the remove scale improve surface finish on teeth and rectify small errors due to distortion during the harden process. In this process, the gears to be lapped are run under load, is meshed with one or more cast iron tooth laps. Either abrasive paste is introduced between the teeth or fine abrasive powder mixed in oil and is made to flow through the teeth during running. a negligible amount of material is removed during this process. Gear lapping helps in improving surface finish. Then next, that is the gear honing. It is a gear finishing process for hardened gears. It improves the surface finish of the teeth profile. It also reduces the noise of spur and helical gears after heat treatment and correct heat treatment errors. Gear tooth honing is generally carried out with a constant pressure between the teeth of the gears and honing tool. On a machine tool, the gear shaving machine, gear honing is performed. Gear tooth hone is an abrasive embedded plastic helical gear shaped tool. The grain size of the abrasive is selected between 0.025 to 0.05 mm, which is suitable for the honing allowances as well as requirements of surface finish. The honing tool and the work gear are meshed in a cross axis relationship. When the work gear traverse back and forth parallel with the work gear axis, honing tool drives it. So all these are the informations about the gear finishing methods, or we can say processes. Thank you.